Welcome back, cadets. I hope all you are well and doing great. Cadets, today we will learn about the different type of animals that is divided into different group on the basis of their food habits or their eating habits. So let us start. All living organisms need food to grow and to live. Animals are living things. They too need energy to move around and to do different work. Food gives them all the energy they need. They need food to remain healthy. Plants can make their food by the process of photosynthesis. They use the energy from the sun to make their food. Therefore, plants are called producer as they produce their own food. But animals cannot make their food. Animals get their food from the plants. Some animals eat plants directly while some animals eat plant eating animals. Thus, animals get their food from plants either directly or indirectly. So, all living things need food to give them energy to grow and to move. A food chain shows how each living thing gets its food. It shows who is eating who. And the arrow means is eaten by. So, this red arrow will show who is eaten by whom. So in this food chain, you can see grass is eaten by the grasshopper is eaten by the frog is eaten by the snake is eaten by the hawk, and a food chain always start with green plants. So all the plants are producer which is eaten by an animal. So all the animals in this food chains are consumer. Now, what do animals eat? Based on what they eat, different animals are placed in different groups. So all the animals can be divided into different groups on the basis of their food habits or their eating habits. So all different groups are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, parasites and scavengers. Herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous are the major one. So let us start with herbivorous. Some animals eat only plant and plant product. Those animals which eat only plant are called herbivorous. The herbivorous may eat grasses, leaves, fruits or the bark of the tree. Some of the examples of herbivorous are cow, elephant, buffalo, zebra and deer. So all these are the examples of herbivorous animals, and the herbivorous animals are plant eater. Now carnivorous animals. Some animals eat only other animals. They do not eat plant food at all. Those animals which eat only other animals as food are called carnivorous animal. Carnivores eat only the meat or flesh of other animal. So we can say those animals which eat only the meat or flesh of other animals are called carnivorous. Some of the examples are lion, tiger, leopard, wolf and fox. So all these are the example of carnivorous animal, and carnivorous animals are meat eater. Now omnivorous animal. Some animals eat both plant as well as other animals as food. Those animals which eat both plant and animals are called omnivorous animal. In other words, we can say the omnivorous eat plant food as well as the meat of other animals. Some of the examples of omnivorous are bear, crow, ant, dog, and human beings. So all these are the example of omnivorous animal. Omnivorous animals eats plant food as well as the meat of other animals. So omnivorous are plant eaters as well as meat eater. Now parasites. Parasites are the organism that obtain their food from other animals either living inside or outside their body. For example, tapeworm and roundworm live inside the body. So these parasites are known as endoparasite. And tick and lice lives outside the body. So these parasites are known as ectoparasite. So tapeworm and roundworm live inside the human body or the cattle. So these are endoparasite. Now tick and lice live outside the body. So these parasites are known as ectoparasites. Another example is malarial parasite. Malarial parasite extract food from the human body by living inside the body. Such parasites are known as endoparasites. And leech sucks the blood of the human body or cattle from outside the body. Such parasites are known as ectoparasite. So parasites are of two types, ectoparasite and endoparasite. Ectoparasite remain external to the host. Host is an organism on which parasite dependent for its food. And endoparasites live inside the body of the host. Now scavengers. Scavengers are those animals who feed on the remains of dead animals preyed by the predators. For example, vulture and jackal. So, in this video, we learned about different type of animals based on their eating habit. The major one was herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous, and the other was scavengers and parasite. Please watch this video at least twice so that you can understand the concept clearly. Thank you.